All right. Good day. Good day, everyone. Happy New Year. So today that is 10th of January, and today we officially resume our duty. So for those of you who have been following us for a very long time, remember this farm. This is our 50,000 capacity farm. When I mean 50,000, some people thought that maybe it's 50 kg of fish. I mean we'll be stocking 50,000 pieces of fish here, and it's not that we're going to stock them once, so it's going to be in stages. So I want those who have been asking questions to understand very well. So you can see we have succeeded in fixing tarpaulins in all the ponds. Succeeded in fixing tarpaulins in all the ponds. So the work is being done. It's an indoor farm, so we're actually going to practice kind of intensive. So you can see all over here, all the ponds have been fixed in the frame. Tarpaulin pond has been fixed. So the next thing that we want to do now is to connect, to do the plumbing. So we are discussing that. Discussing God that for the end of need to close that door. So part of why we are showcasing this stuff to you is a way of advertising the farm, so that once our product begins to come out, it's very, very easy to get you here. We are also going to use this place for training. We're going to be partnering with governments and different organizations to train people. So I want you to see and prepare yourself, okay? So I'm going to be teaching you some things that you need to know about setting up a farm. And one of the major things that I want to talk about is water management. Like this farm that you're seeing, you're not going to use one borehole, you're not going to use two boreholes. So we have a lot of arrangements that have been put in place so I have sufficient water. Okay? So continue to follow Fish College, you'll learn a lot. Alright, so I'm talking about water quantity and quality management. Now, you know, this is not just a small scale business. So for some of us that want to invest in a large scale business, if you want to go into fish farming, don't do the mistake of thinking of how to have something big without considering the ability to have sufficient volume of water that can meet up with the standard. Because even reasons why fish die in the farm is because of some people try to manage water, and because of managing water, they don't change the water the way it ought to be changed, and before you know, when the ammonia level becomes too unbearable, the fish will begin to die. So what is my counsel? My counsel is that you should train what you can manage. Then the other challenge is like those make use of fuel. You see that the cost of buying fuel on this is high. Okay, so I encourage that you can think of making use of solar, the green energy. The green energy can help you in a long way in cutting down costs. Some people are asking, what about formulation of feed? Actually, feed formulation used to help us very well. Like when you're making the feed by yourself, helps to cut that cost. But I love telling people the truth. Now, the cost of material also is very high, and logistic cost is high. So sometimes when you put all those things together, it's better for you to even depend on the commercial feed, because when you try to economize some of these things, you now be falling back to that thing that you are running away from. I believe you understand what I'm saying, because I actually love teaching people from experience. So back to the water issue. What is my counsel? I keep saying, if you want to set up a farm, it's good for you to set it close to even water body. But the challenge with water body is that you must make sure that the area where your farm is located will not be affected by flood, because flood have dealt with a lot of persons. So we love counseling people from experience, so that they can learn. Like you can see that this place is an enclosure. It's not because of flood. We have a water body behind, but it's not because of flood. There are reasons why the owner wants us to set up something like this for him. So be conscious of your water volume. Your water volume should help you decide on the quantity of fish that you stock. When I mean quantity, the number of fish that you stock. Okay, then this time around, instead of you to quit from fish farming, reduce the number of fish you train. Train what you can manage. Do you understand? Train what you can manage for now, then be growing. Let me say you can grow your capital from 500,000 to 1 million, from 1 million to 2 million, from 2 million to 3 to 4 to 100. So don't just say that you want to work by faith or you are expecting money there. Yeah, maybe you are riding bike or driving car, you want to be using the money and buying feed. No, it doesn't work that way. This business is not a gambling business. It's a business that you must be sure of what you are doing. Okay, so for those of you who have not registered with us for our full mentorship, this should be a privilege for you to do that. So there's a message and we will give you the condition down. We also have our material that we wrote. If you make your payment, we'll send you the soft copy. It's going to help you very well. Thank you. Happy New Year. Those of you that send us birthday and New Year package, God bless you. Those of you who could not do it, try and do it now. Very, very important. Thank you, guys.